In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gmail with Trello. If you're someone who uses both these tools regularly, integrating them can significantly streamline your workflow and help you manage tasks more efficiently. So, let's dive right into the process and get you set up. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to your Trello board where you'd like to set up this integration. You can do this by logging into Trello and selecting the board that you use frequently for managing your tasks or projects. Once you're on your board, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the settings icon. It's usually represented by a small gear icon. Click on it to access your board settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, look for the option labeled Power-Ups. Power-Ups in Trello are essentially add-ons that enhance the functionality of your board, allowing you to integrate with other services like Gmail. Click on Power-Ups to explore the available integrations. Once you're in the Power-Ups section, you'll see a search bar. This is where you can find the Gmail integration. In the search bar, type the word Gmail and press Enter. This search will bring up the Gmail Power-Up, along with potentially other related integrations. When you see the Gmail Power-Up in the search results, go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted with an option to add or enable the Power-Up. Click on this button to initiate the integration process. After enabling the Gmail Power-Up, you'll need to authorize the connection between Trello and your Gmail account. This process is straightforward. You will be redirected to a page where you can log into your Gmail account if you aren't already logged in. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant the required permissions. Don't worry, this is a secure process, and it's necessary to allow Trello to pull in data from your Gmail account. Once the authorization is complete, you'll be redirected back to Trello, and you should see that the Gmail Power-Up is now active on your board. With this integration, you can now convert your emails directly into Trello cards, making it easier to track actionable emails and manage them as tasks on your board. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Gmail with Trello, and now you can enjoy a more streamlined workflow. Remember, if you ever want to disable the Power-Up or manage its settings, you can always return to the Power-Up section in your board settings. I hope this guide was helpful and that you find the integration to be a valuable addition to your productivity toolkit. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.